Welcome to this new video tutorial. Today we are going to talk about security. This is good for every WordPress website that you may manage. So what we want to do is increase the security of our WordPress website. If you are using our pro.radio hosting service, you can count on built-in hardened security, which is available from the WordPress manager. Go to cPanel. From the left menu, click on WordPress Manager and enable the checkbox for all of the websites you want. Then click on Security Measure. You can safely click All and click Apply. Attention, if your username is admin, this is going to change your username because having the administrator username called admin will highly increase your chances to be hacked. Now I'm going to choose the main user, and I also want to set a very secure password. What we want to do is also install a firewall and a security system. There are tons of security plugins out there. We tried all of them for years, and from our experience, the best one is WordFence. It has an excellent free version. Of course, you are free to upgrade it to a paid version if you want an extra layer of security. What you need to do is, after installing WordFence, create your free WordPress license. So go to the website, get a free license, and click I'm OK, waiting 30 days for protection, enter your email, and you will receive the license key straight in your inbox. Now, for the purpose of this demo, we are going to use the same license key that we have for our website. So let's close this window without completing the registration again. And I'm going to click I'm installing an existing license key. I'm going to pick the one from our company. Optimize the firewall. This is extremely important. Download a backup copy of your htaccess file and then click continue. This will edit the htaccess from your website and add extra rules for protection. Installation successful. Let's close the window, and almost everything is fine by default, but we want to make our settings a little bit safer. And if you are very sure that you are not using admin as username, which I have just recommended 1 minute ago, you can safely type immediately block the user who tried to sign in using admin, or also your very same website URL, which is a popular way of hacking websites. Enforce strong password for everyone, because there are some plugins adding vulnerabilities even to users that are not administrator. Leave all of the other options on default. Disable WordPress application password, yes. Then as well, these block IPs sending post requests with blank user agent, because it's hard to have blank user agent. Everybody has a user agent unless it's a bot. Rate limiting. This is how many times people or bots can open your pages, download your pages. So let's limit this, because this is often used to attack your website by creating a DOS attack, loading the pages so many times that your CPU gets overloaded and your firewall stops working. In that moment is when hackers can attack and get information from your database. So let's set these options to the minimum. By the way, you also want to limit crawlers, because some crawlers are very aggressive and they can really take down your website. There are so many AI crawlers nowadays. Even Google itself can take down your website if you don't correctly set the Google crawler in the Google Search Console. So let's leave 60 per minute the crawler, human 120, so it's like one page every few seconds. If a human page for 60 minutes, okay, how long an IP is blocked? 5 minutes. And this is okay. Let's save the changes. Last but not least, we need to go to the login security. What you really want to do is install two-factor authentication. You can install on your cell phone the Google Authenticator and scan the code. It will give you a number that you need to input here in order to activate the two-factor authentication. Then in the settings page, make very sure to click disable XML RPC login, because that is the #1 way to hack a WordPress website. Then in the reCAPTCHA page, you may want to read the documentation, get yourself a Google or Gmail account, and enable the reCAPTCHA on your website. Once this is done, your website is going to be much safer and also save a lot of CPU, because it's blocking upfront all of the hacking attempts which are using so much CPU and making your website slower. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.